Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel by Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a website on the topic travel and tour. So let's have a look at the requirements first. First we have a text editor which is required. Like we may use any text editor, but as you know that VS Code is the most reliable and most widely used text editor, so I have used here VS Code. It depends on you which text editor you like to use, you have to use, or which in which you are comfortable. So that's basically a person's choice. I have used your VS Code. Next we have an operating system. I have used your Windows 10 operating system. You may use any other operating system. You can use Linux, Unix as per your choice. This project is based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is going to be a front-end project. We do not have any backend here. Then we have the requirement analysis as the HTML file, JavaScript file, CSS file, Bootstrap, and we also will be requiring certain APIs which we will be calling so that our website becomes hassle free. So without much delay, we will move to the code part and I'll show you how does this code look like, what does it have in store for us, everything. So first we have the standard doc type HTML, we have the that head tag. In the head tag we have the char set, we have the names, the viewport, the compatibility, the content, the width, height is set. Then we have the title. The title of this website is tourist, which is explore the world. Then we have a favicon. In the favicon we have had the reference and I have a image type. Then here we have the CSS link. This is the Google Fonts link. I have used APIs as I mentioned earlier that we're going to use the APIs. We are going to call the APIs so that it performs good or our website is hassle free. Then we have this header. In the header, we have the toggle button, we have the menu outline, we have the close outline. Then we have a nav bar. In the nav bar, we have the nav bar list. As you can see here, we have a list. This is the unordered list, but this is the ordered list. So we have certain like home, about us, tours, destinations, blog, contact us, booking. Now everything is sorted in a list. Then we have this main tag and under article. This is the hero section. As I said earlier, that hero section basically this is a section which remains as it is in each and every web page. Then we have a background image. The background image is set. Then the source, width, height, everything is set here. Then we have the hero content, hero text, the button group, the banner. Then we have this is the destination, like the destination tab. In the destination tab, we have the section destination, section subtitle, destination list, destination card, card content, card subtitle. Everything is mentioned here. Then these are basically certain cards. Like the website looks good if you put the text on cards. So this actually looks better. It is very visually appealing, so that we have used cards here. Then those card subtitles, card contents, and the card titles are mentioned here. For each card, we have a list, and in that list, we have certain functionalities. Not functionalities, basically the look of the card, simply. Then this is the section of popular section, which we have like the again we have the popular card, we have the images, we have set the width, height, loading, etc. Everything has been set here. Then we have the card wrapper, the card rating, like the stars, the number of stars you put when you like a particular service, you go and put 5 stars. So how does this come from? This is the background actually. So you have a card rating, you have an ion icon, and you put it as star, and you close the ion icon. So this is how the star rating looks like. Interesting, is it? Then we have the again popular card. The card banner is set, the time outline, the pricing of the card. So you are basically rating the travel agency on the basis of the pricing, on the basis of the service it provides, on the basis of its usability, on the basis of the reliability, your convenience, etc. So then we have the again card location, card content, card title, everything is rated. Then this is the about. About means what? What does the travel agency do? What is its like about clicks? What does it stands for? What is its the USP? So I have not mentioned anything here. This is basically the lorem ipsum. You can like say that yeah, we provide the best travel in the world. You can travel hassle free. This is cost convenient. The you are to be not to be worrying about your security. We provide A to Z security. The fooding, everything can be mentioned here. Okay. So then we have this blog. In the blog again, a person can go and write something about the travel agency, provide feedback, so that another people who will be joining the travel agency at like 2 months, 3 months away, or 1 month away, that person can read the section blog, can understand the user's experience from the past trips that the agency has covered, and they can move forward with it. So it gives that hint of trust. That's why we have this blog section. So certain again, those are written in cards only. Then we have the footer. Footer is what, like in a web page we have a header bar and a footer bar. In a header bar, you basically have the home, title, all those sections. In the footer bar, you have the like contact us stuff is there, the copyright stuff is there, registered stuff is there. So this is what footer looks like. Okay. The Instagram logo, the Twitter logo, connect us on Instagram, link also LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, the Facebook, everything is mentioned there. If there is any video, so YouTube link is also provided. Right. These are the images which I have used, I have collected. These are the images which we have used. Okay. Then this is the CSS. In the CSS, we basically have CSS is what? It basically provides a styling factor to the HTML. HTML is just the framework. CSS provides a sugar coating. It looks good. The typography is there, your spacing is there, your transitions are there, your margin, padding, box sizing, spanning, input, buttons, everything is set. Address, the address font style will be normal. The image height will be automatic. It will change according to the resolutions. Then the scroll bar, the container, the buttons, like the whatever the buttons you have, like background color, font width, padding, border radius, everything is mentioned. The border outline, the buttons outline, the settings, the card banners, the popular cards, the card badges, everything is set. Then we have the header. In the header, you have basically those what do you call, those home about stuff and stuff which we saw in the HTML part, that is styled here. Then your footer will be styled, your hero component will be styled, like the color, font size, font family, font weight, line weight. So basically, these are the selectors. You basically have to see the hero title. It is mentioned in the HTML. Basically, select it, change it accordingly. So the it can be done inline, like in the HTML file as it is. But why do we change the CSS file to another? We link it to another CSS file so that when we like move to the code, well, now I'm teaching you the code, I'm explaining you the code, so it's easy for me to figure out. It's easy for you to also understand. So I hope you understood this code as it is. So now let's move to the website and I'll show you how does it look like. See, so that long story what we heard, now this is what we see. See, the home, about us, tours, destinations, blog, contact us. Just look at the transition. So booking now. Then we have your trusted travel agency. This is the writing. Contact us, learn more. Then we have a choose your Maldives, Thailand. Then you have your Malaysia, Nepal. And just look at the transitions. It's very great. Then these are the most popular towns. The ratings are here. See, the ratings are here. 2 people have rated. This is 4 star. The pricing, the writings, everything is mentioned. Then about us. This is the about us thing. Then you have the blogs, like what blogs we have. Then this is the footer. The terms and conditions, like whatever you have. Just look at the transition. I click on this, I go to the home. So basically, this is what your web page looks like. It looks great actually. The font is really great. And look at those animation, the meta characters. It's really great. So I hope you understood the working of this project. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you and have a great day.